today that fully automated procedures have been applied to the main assembly line. It now takes 2 men to do the job that required a labor force of over 100 men. The company's newly automated production line has increased output at the Burbank plant by 127%. The expected increase in natural gas prices is still pending final approval in Washington. And at the same time in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, a family feud over TV programs was settled abruptly. John Harvey shot his father in the leg after Mr. Harvey had interrupted his son's viewing by placing his foot through the screen of the family TV set. And that concludes the morning news brought to you by the Hessep Pharmaceutical Company, the makers of Easy Sleep.
Telephone 172 3/4, up 3/4. American Airlines.
Alcoa 64 1/8, up 3/8. American Telephone 172 3/4, up 3/4. American Airlines 17 3/8, up 1/2. American Potash 38 3/4, up 3/8. American Tobacco 77 3/4, up 1 1/4. Anaconda 42 1/4, up 1/4. Armour 12 3/8, up 1/8. Atchison 18 7/8, up 1/2. Baltimore, Ohio, 25 1/2, up 5/8. Bethlehem Steel, 39, up 1/4.
$77 3/4, up 1 1/4. Anaconda 42 1/4, up 1/4. Armour.
Time to get up, Marty.
Most of the freeways inbound are flowing at about 70% capacity. We'll be standing by here above the freeways in the KLRB helicopter, and we'll bring you another report when traffic reaches its expected peak. Operation Traffic Watch now returns you to the station, and Herb Ronson with Freeway Frolic.
Thank you, Bill. We'll be hearing from you again later. And now back to the musical portion of our show today, bringing you recordings from the Roaring '20s.
Hello? Miss Nelson, this is, Wilford McClellan. I wonder if you'd stop by on your way to the office.
Okay.
Can you hold the line a minute?
Mr. Bartlett speaking.
That prevented us from making the negotiations that would lead...
Edgar Davis with Acme. I'm calling to find out if your policy regarding the splitting of issues... New York quotes out at 23, which is a bit more than we can afford to...
Hello? No, we couldn't possibly arrange it for today. I'm sorry, why don't you call back tomorrow?
Nelson, we need to take immediate action on the option that we muffle Mrs. Paget. See this taken care of.
A memo to Harry Schaefer. In regards to Mrs. Paget's account, contact her and find out if she is interested in buying at the current market price, less our commission.
Mr. Nelson, I picked your car up 2 hours ago and have the tune-up finished, but your starting trouble comes from a broken choke element. Can't have it till 6:30, I'm afraid.
That's the craziest thing I ever heard. That's a new car. Okay, whatever it needs, I'll be by at 6:30.
A new rectifier, ma'am, and she'll be like new.
Hello, doctor. I've been waiting for your call.
Well, I've looked over the results of those tests we made. I don't see anything organically wrong
For
with
most
you.
preparations only lessen the gastric pain, Danitol acts 6 ways.
If you don't feel better by the 1st of next week, give me a call.
Say, gang, be the first in your block to get this exact replica of the Navy intercontinental missile. Be the first to launch one in your neighborhood. Have your mom ask the grocer for Super Energy Corn Friskies.
Look here, Dalton, I've told you before. This here hotel's reserved for us ranchers when we're in town. Now, as any fool can see, I'm a rancher and I'm in town. Here.
Crinkle, crikey, happy do.
And now it's time for another exciting episode in the adventures of Anthony.
The strongest men break when they try to battle with fate. Now let me see. Yes, you'll need a bit of tailoring, that's the first thing. And then, Tony, did you hear me? Anthony!
What?
I said you needed completely new and different clothes. I shall arrange with my tailors to...
You remind me of Mr. Bonifeather. The first time I met him, he thought I needed clothes, too.
Oh, and did you?
As I recall, I was stark naked.
My boy, you haven't stopped to figure out yet that life is just a series of sensations. Some to be desired, others to be avoided. That's all that matters.
All right, Marty. It's time for bed.
For instance, at this moment, you and I are riding comfortably in a carriage, enjoying ourselves, while over there in that courtyard, the poor...
About the headaches and the hair falling out and those nitroglycerin...
From our binge. Do you mind putting the light out?
No. Georgie, we're going to go places together. I'm going to work hard for you and give you all the things you should have. Make you proud of me.
I have everything I want. And I am proud of you. Very proud.
You weren't afraid, were you?
No. I'm never afraid when I'm with you.
Then why should I be? By the way, have I told you lately that I adore you?
Only 3 times in the last 10 minutes.
Well, then that's enough. No use making a glutton out of you. It was nice seeing your friends, wasn't it?
Very nice.
Was his news important?
Might have been, once.
But now?